Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today, we're gonna do some pruning. Yeah, so I got a few, what do you call them? Palm trees that I want to transfer to Leca, but in my care, they haven't been doing so well. And I'm gonna show you some plants. Oh my god, you already can see it. They're dead. I know. Don't judge me. I have some dead plants and some pruning to do. And I'm trying to revive these palm trees. But before I start the video, please do consider subscribing. And if you already fell in love with my personality, please do follow me at Melina Glam on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok. And I believe that's it. But without further ado, let's start the video, you guys. Okay, you guys, so yeah, here's my palm trees. One is looking more lush than the other one, and I'm guessing because it gets more sunlight. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is I bought it as a Mexican fan palm tree, and it's looking really cute. It had like a bunch of leaves that I killed. All I can say is you have to water it every day here in Dallas, Texas for it to thrive. I learned the hard way, but it's a learning process. Anyways, I'm gonna trim the leaves off and we're gonna start all over. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay, that one's gone. That one's gone. Oh, ow. That hurt. Oh my god, the poor little fan tree's dead. Oh my god. So that's dead. At least it's gonna look cute, I guess. Let's continue. That one's dead. Oh my god, I already cut off 4 leaves. It's gonna be bald. That one's dead. That one's dead. Ow, they're still kind of thorny. Okay. You guys, I'm such a horrible mother. Look at all the little plants that I lost. No way, I'm so devastated. So here's the dying one. I do see signs of new babies though, which I'm so happy. Yeah, the soil is still moist, and this one, the soil is moist too, but this one's definitely gonna live. So I'll keep y'all updated on my little palm trees. I'm not happy with myself, but it's okay. It's a learning process. Don't underwater your palm tree. Oh my god. So unfortunately, I did kill my pitcher plants, my carnivorous plants. They passed to a different world now, and yeah, I also killed my pothos, and I'm not proud. But then I have my Thai constellation that is alive, but she's looking a little rough. And I suspect it's root rot. That's gonna be for a different video. I still have time. But yeah, all my plants here are not doing so well. And that's because I do neglect them here outside. I promised myself I'm gonna do better. So yeah, don't worry guys. I will bring back these plants to life. These are my plants in my balcony. I have this huge monstera still that it pushed out this new leaf, but then the newest leaf is so small, you guys. Like, she's clearly not happy, so I'm gonna repot her, but not today. But yeah, This is the pruning. It's better to underwater than overwater, so these are still alive. Anyways. Okay, you guys, so we're back in my apartment. This is like the living room, and yeah, I might as well give you some plant updates. Okay, you guys, so this is my Hoya, and this is the Hoya Crimson Princess, and it's flowering, and it's not just like flowering once. It's double flowering. I'm like so happy. Can you see the flowers? Because this camera is like, yeah, it's like double flowers right there. It's so pretty. I guess it likes the light and the window. Also, my philodendron linamii is still pregnant, but the leaf just came out. It hasn't unfurled yet. It's just like, oh my god, that looks so wrong. But yeah, she's alive. Yeah. Oh, this is my Monstera albo that I will have a video soon. I put it up in the little plank. I'll have a video soon. And look at my Florida ghost. Oh my god, are you in trouble? My Florida ghost is like unfurling this leaf. It's pregnant here. Where else is it pregnant? I know, like, there's a few growth points. Oh, it's pregnant there too. One leaf there coming, one leaf there coming. It's like so pregnant, so fertile. But yeah, all the leaves in the bottom are green, and then all the leaves on top are white, because it's called the Florida Ghost because the leaves literally come out white when you put them and give them really good lighting. Oh my god, this leaf is so white. They're so white. But then they slowly start reverting back to green. And some stay minty, but oh my god, this has like so much like nectar. These produce like little nectar droplets. Can you see that? Pretty much it's adapted to nature, and it produces those nectar little balls to invite the ants to come protect it from predators. It says, look, delicious nectar, come eat me. But yeah, there she is. So let's see some other plant updates. So my Florida beauty that we have here, oh, the leaf came out and unfortunately it's fully green, but I think this one's gonna be like variegated, hopefully. And then, oh my god, this is the most exciting one. So remember the alocasia, the variegated alocasia frydek. Oh my god, if my camera would focus. Okay, you guys, so literally my variegated alocasia frydek is doing so well. And it has another new leaf, so it's gonna be back with 2 leaves. And there's a root, oh my god, I'm about to drop it. I don't wanna drop it. There's like a root popping out right there. It's so happy. I didn't kill it. She's doing so well, and she's gonna go back in the cabinet. But she's so happy. I didn't like kill her just yet. Knock on wood. Yeah, so definitely happy. I think those are all the plant updates that I wanted to show you guys. Oh, and my little Anthera magnificum is still like huge, and it's doing so well. And look at the leaf, so good. Okay, you guys, so those are a few plant updates that I wanted to show you. It's definitely better to what am I trying to say? It's definitely better to underwater your plants than overwater your plants, because you can always water them again. But if you overwater them, then you have to deal with root rot. Oh my god, this lighting sucks.